together. We listen and we don't judge. Nung nasa PBB ako, sa sobrang, like you said kanina, sa sobrang love ko talaga yung bread. Pag gabi na, when I see the sun go down na, because we have no sense of time, and nakikita ko na may bread pa, kinukuha ko talaga, hindi ko sinasabi sa mga housemates kasi ayoko yun maging reason sa nomination ko. Yun po.
Okay! We listen and we don't judge.
I love that.
3 points para kay AC kasi nangunguha siya ng bread.
May nagtanong na ba if ever?
Kasi ang daming sayang. We see it in the morning and there's always like 2-3 pieces na hard na you can't eat anymore.
Stale na.
So, kinakain ko talaga before everyone goes to sleep.
May nagtanong na ba ever? Parang, ano nangyari dun sa bread?
Wala pa naman. Wala. So, I think safe. I mean, nasa labas na ako so wala na din tayo gagawa.
Love that!
Oh, next.
Like, as harsh as we are, we
Listen
listen and we don't judge. This is the story of how me and my best friend Angela Ken became best friends. Lock-in taping kami. Nauna siya sa room namin. So she cleaned it out and she unpacked and everything. Tapos dumating ako, COVID kasi to, so I really wanted to clean. I made sure everything was clean. So, umalis siya. I saw her stuff was in there na. Naglinis ako and then I went into the CR. And then walang gamit doon. Except in the shower, there was one used soap bar.
Oh my God.
Ako sobrang maarte ako pag sa CR, pag may mga basa-basa, I don't like it. So kinuha ko talaga, sabi ko, yuck! Tinapon ko. Tapos paglabas ko, sabi ko, Angela, kala ko ba naglinis ka? May used soap bar sa CR. Sabi niya, be, anong brand yun? Sabi ko, ganito. And she said, be, sa akin yun! So, tinapon ko yung used soap bar niya. I felt bad for the rest of taping. I gave her all of my liquid body wash. Lahat ng kailangan ko, shampoo, conditioner, kasi wala na siyang show. So, yun po. That's still too safe.
That's okay.
That's a story of how we became best friends.
Hi, Angela. Actually,
I guess you know.
Yes, my alternate.
Yes, in Once on an Island. Yes.
correct. Ayun.
Don't judge. Dito alam ni Mami. Or baka alam niya. This was a while back. I would sneak out. Alam naman ni Mami. I would sneak out with my friends. And I think at some point, she found out na. So, she told the guards na bawal ako lumabas unless marinig nila boses ni Mami sa phone. So, I caught on to this one of the times I snuck out. So, I told my friend to act like my mom.
Oh my God!
So, I snuck out. And they're like, sige po ma'am, tawagan niyo lang po muna mami niyo. They said, okay po, sige po, tinawagan ko kaibigan ko.
Change mo ba yung contact name?
Change ka naman. Binigay ko kay Kuya Guard. So, ito po kuya, si mami, ganon. Oh ma'am, pwede po lumabas si AC. Tapos my friend acted like mami, ganon. Sabi, then in-call. Sabi ng guard, ma'am, hindi po yan nanay niyo.
Oh my God!
Bumalik ako sa condo.
No!
Akala ko naliwa.
After nun, hindi na ako tatakas talaga.
Oh my gosh, nakakahiya.
Sabi ni tita,
kailan yan?
Tagal na to. Yung the other condo pa. Eh, sobrang close ko talaga yung mga guards, so.
Pero kahit tumatakas ta, no?
Pero mas close to you guys.
Yeah!
Alam nung guard yung boses ni tita.
Kahit tumatakas ta, no? Parang you have to respect the game, eh. No?
Yeah.
Galing
Kailangan mo
eh.
respetuhin,
Instead of
eh.
getting mad at me, she put that rule para ma-embarrass ako sa harap ng guards.
Galing.
Wise.